So there is one problem. A charge q is divided into two parts in such a way that they repel each other with a maximum force when held at a certain distance apart. Find the distribution of the charge. So we will solve it. Let the two parts be total charge q is divided into two parts. So let the two parts be q prime and q minus q prime. Therefore, force between them is given by F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 into q2. So q1 asla amaro q prime and q2 keta so q minus q prime by r square. So এটা কেতে আসিব or f equal কেতে আসিব আমरो f equal আসলা 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into q into q prime minus q prime ro square divided by r square. So এটা আসলা আমরো equation 1. So se kon pacharchi in such a way that they repel each other with a maximum force. So maximum force pai amaro condition hochi for maximum and minima for maximum value of f. So for maximum value of f, condition kon rochi na df by dq prime equal to 0. df by dq prime equal to 0. So from equation 1 keta asio amaro df by dq prime equal to df by dq prime equal to এটা হচ্ছে ইকুয়েশন নাম্বার 1. সো df by dq prime কে আকো with respect to q prime ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করিবা. সো এটা কেতে আসিব আমरो সো এটা আমরা আসিব 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square into q minus 2q prime equal to 0. So if we will make differentiation of equation 1 with respect to q prime, then how much we will get? We will get this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square 1 by 4 r square into this is equal to q minus 2q prime or 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r square into q minus 2q prime equal to 0. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square into q minus 2q prime equal to 0, or q minus 2q prime equal to 0, or 2q prime equal asla q, or q prime equal to aswa amra, or asla q prime equal to q by 2. Q prime equal to q by 2. Hence in order to have maximum force, q should be divided into two equal parts. Hence, in order to have maximum force, q should be divided into two parts. Say, पचारची question कौन पचारची? A charge q is divided into two parts in such a way that they repel each other with the maximum force when held at a certain distance apart. Find the distribution of the charge. So the q should be divided into the distribution of charge. The charge should be divided equal into two parts. Charge टा equally divided जदि हे जिवो ताले तमर कोन हबो maximum force इटी exist हबो. So in order to have maximum force, q should be divided into two equal parts. This is the solution. Thank you.